Hello everyone. Are you looking for best car accessories? Don't worry, go through the video. Here you will find all the latest and the best car accessories of all time. If you like the product and want to buy them, then go through the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1. Product name Lachine P4 Smart Air Pump. The Lachine P4 Smart Air Pump is a versatile and portable tire inflator designed for a variety of vehicles, including motorcycles, bicycles, and boats. This compact device is equipped with a powerful 4,000 mAh battery, allowing for efficient and convenient inflation without the need for a power cord. Key features: LED digital display. The Lachine P4 features a clear LED digital display that provides real-time pressure readings, ensuring precise and accurate inflation. Preset pressure settings. It comes with preset pressure settings that allow users to set the desired pressure level for different types of tires, making the inflation process quick and hassle-free. Multi-vehicle compatibility, suitable for motorcycles, bicycles, and boats. This air pump is a handy tool for various inflating needs, providing flexibility and convenience. Product 2. Product name Car Interior 5-Color Selectable Headrest. The Car Interior 5-Color Selectable Headrest for Lincoln MKC is a versatile and stylish accessory designed to enhance comfort and support while driving. This product includes a headrest neck support, lumbar cushion, and soft neck pillow, offering comprehensive support for both the neck and lower back. Key features include customizable colors. The headrest comes in 5 selectable colors, allowing you to match it with your car's interior for a personalized look. Enhanced comfort. The soft neck pillow and lumbar cushion are designed to provide optimal support, reducing fatigue and discomfort during long drives. Premium materials. Made with high-quality materials, the cushions offer durability and a plush feel. Product 3. Product name Car Floor Mats. Car floor mats play a crucial role in maintaining the cleanliness and aesthetic appeal of a vehicle's interior. For the Toyota Avensis T250, which spans model years 2003 to 2009, luxury leather car floor mats offer a blend of durability, style, and functionality. Features. Durability. These mats are crafted from high-quality leather, designed to withstand daily wear and tear. This makes them a long-lasting addition to the vehicle, capable of enduring the rigors of constant foot traffic. Waterproof. The waterproof nature of these mats ensures that spills and moisture do not penetrate, protecting the car's original flooring from potential damage and corrosion. This feature is particularly beneficial in wet or snowy climates where moisture can be a common. Product 4. Product name Car Vacuum Cleaner. The 98,000 PA Car Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful cleaning machine designed to keep your vehicle's interior spotless. As an essential car accessory, this vacuum cleaner offers robust performance and convenience, making it a valuable addition to your automotive maintenance tools. Key features. Powerful suction. With a suction power of 98,000 PA, this car vacuum cleaner effectively removes dirt, dust, and debris from every corner of your car. Its strong suction ensures thorough cleaning, even for stubborn messes. Wireless operation. The wireless design of this vacuum cleaner adds to its convenience, allowing for unrestricted movement and easy maneuverability. No need to worry about tangled cords or finding a power outlet. Versatile cleaning. Equipped with various attachments, the 98,000 PA car vacuum cleaner can handle a range of cleaning tasks, from reaching tight spots to cleaning larger surfaces. It's suitable for both quick touch-ups and deep cleaning sessions. Product 5. Product name Air Conditioning Outlet Cleaning Brush. The air conditioning outlet cleaning brush is a versatile tool designed for effectively cleaning car interiors, specifically targeting air conditioning outlets, dashboards, and other hard-to-reach areas. It features soft bristles that are gentle yet effective in removing dust, dirt, and debris from vents and crevices without causing scratches. This brush is also suitable for cleaning keyboards and blinds, making it a handy accessory for maintaining a clean and dust-free car interior. Product 6. Product name DIY Car Windshield Cracked Repair Tool. The DIY Car Windshield Cracked Repair Tool is designed for repairing minor cracks and scratches on car windshields. It typically includes repair fluid and tools necessary to fill in cracks and restore the integrity of the glass. These tools are handy for DIY enthusiasts looking to fix small damages without needing professional help, saving time and money. They are crucial for maintaining the safety and appearance of your vehicle's windshield, ensuring clarity and structural strength while preventing further damage. Product 7. Product name Car Wash Super Brush. The Car Wash Super Brush is designed as a plush premium brush specifically for cleaning wheels. It features a non-slip handle for ease of use and is ideal for effectively cleaning rims, spokes, and wheel barrels. This brush is a practical car accessory, particularly useful for maintaining the cleanliness and appearance of your vehicle's wheels. Its design ensures thorough cleaning without causing damage, making it a convenient tool for car enthusiasts and those who prioritize vehicle upkeep.